Hello and welcome back, time management enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest tools in our time management toolkit, the Eisenhower Box. This isn't just any old box, it's a powerful method to sort out your to-dos like a pro. Let's unpack this box and see how it can transform your prioritization game. What is the Eisenhower Box? A president's secret weapon. Named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, this method was his secret weapon for effective decision-making and prioritization. If it's good enough for a president, it's definitely worth a try, right? The quadrants of decision. Imagine a box divided into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant represents a category of tasks based on their urgency and importance. It's like sorting your groceries. Some items go in the freezer, some in the pantry, depending on their use and expiry. Breaking down the box. Quadrant 1, important and urgent. These are your do-it-now tasks. They're like the fire alarms of your to-do list. They need immediate attention. Think of a pressing deadline at work or a family emergency. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Here's where you find tasks that contribute to your long-term goals and values. They're like planting seeds for future success. Examples include planning, relationship building, and personal growth activities. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. These are the tasks that demand your attention but don't necessarily align with your goals. They're like the notifications on your phone. They pop up and demand attention, but they're not always important. Quadrant 4, neither urgent nor important. The tasks here are the time wasters. It's like junk mail. It takes up space but doesn't add value. These are activities you want to minimize or eliminate. Applying the Eisenhower Box in your life. Categorize your tasks. Look at your to-do list and start placing each task in one of the quadrants. It's like sorting laundry. It might take a bit of time, but it makes the job much easier. Focus on Quadrant 2. Here's the secret. The more time you spend in Quadrant 2, the less time you'll find yourself scrambling in Quadrant 1. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. Learn to delegate and say no. For tasks in Quadrant 3, consider delegating. And for those in Quadrant 4, learn to say no. It's like decluttering, keeping what's valuable and letting go of what's not. The Eisenhower Box isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. It encourages you to constantly evaluate the importance and urgency of your tasks. By using this method, you can navigate your daily to-do list with the skill of a seasoned captain sailing through the seas of time. So, go ahead and give the Eisenhower Box a try. You'll be amazed at how it can bring clarity and focus to your day. Remember, in the world of time management, being busy isn't the goal. Being effective is. Can't wait to see how this transforms your approach to tasks. Happy prioritizing!